Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install and activate PACCAR ESA version 5.7. This software is essential for diagnosing and configuring PACCAR vehicle electronics. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a proper connection to your control units. Before installing, we must block the software from reaching the update servers. Open your installation folder and find the diagnostic link block tool. Open host file. This will open your Windows Notepad. You need to copy and paste the specific app block list into this file to ensure the license remains stable. Save the file and close Notepad. We need to install the necessary Microsoft components. Find the vCritist files in your folder. Right-click and run as administrator for the Visual C++ 2008 redistributable package. Once the setup is complete, proceed to the main ESA 5 setup file. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the primary installation. Launch the Electronic Service Analyst program. A window will appear stating your license is inactive. Click Yes to activate. In the administration form, go to the License and Password tab. You will see your unique machine key. Use your key generator to create a license renewal code. Enter the codes into the boxes, ensuring they are case-sensitive, and click Renew License. If you encounter a connection error with your Nexikey US link 2, ensure your drivers are updated and the dial files are correctly placed in the system folder. Once activated, you can connect, diagnose, and program your control units. Thank you for watching this guide.